Awning window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Richland Hills seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Awning windows Richland Hills homeowners choose offer excellent ventilation and are perfect for areas with high humidity. Awning window replacement Richland Hills services ensure that your windows are installed correctly, providing long-lasting performance and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows Richland Hills are essential for reducing energy costs and improving indoor comfort. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, homeowners can enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Our custom window solutions Richland Hills are designed to meet the unique needs of each home, ensuring optimal performance and style. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Over time, window frames can become damaged or warped, leading to drafts and energy loss. Our window frame replacement services in Richland Hills ensure that your windows are secure and energy efficient, providing peace of mind and comfort. Custom window solutions Richland Hills offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their windows to match their home's style and needs. Whether you're looking for unique shapes, sizes, or materials, our team can create the perfect custom window solution for your home. Window glass installation Richland Hills is essential for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Cracked or broken glass can compromise your home's security and energy efficiency. Our window glass installation services ensure that your windows are restored to their original condition, providing safety and comfort. Home window upgrades Richland Hills are a great way to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. From energy-efficient windows to stylish designs, our home window upgrades can transform your living space and increase your property's value. Window seal replacement Richland Hills is vital for preventing drafts and energy loss. Damaged or worn seals can lead to increased energy bills and reduced comfort. Our window seal replacement services ensure that your windows are properly sealed, providing energy efficiency and comfort. Double-pane windows Richland Hills are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with an insulating layer in between, providing superior insulation and soundproofing. Window hardware services Richland Hills are essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your windows. From locks to handles, our window hardware services ensure that your windows operate smoothly and securely. Window screen installation Richland Hills is a practical solution for keeping insects and debris out of your home while allowing fresh air to circulate. Our window screen installation services provide durable and effective screens that enhance your home's comfort and cleanliness. Window weatherproofing Richland Hills is crucial for protecting your home from the elements. Our window weatherproofing services ensure that your windows are sealed and insulated, preventing drafts and moisture intrusion. Window style consultation Richland Hills helps homeowners choose the perfect window designs for their homes. Our experts provide personalized recommendations based on your home's architecture and your personal preferences, ensuring a cohesive and stylish look. For those seeking awning window installation in Richland Hills, our team of window installation experts is ready to provide top-notch services. Awning windows Richland Hills residents prefer are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Awning window replacement Richland Hills is designed to improve both style and performance. Our custom window solutions Richland Hills ensure that each installation is tailored to meet your specific needs and preferences. Energy-efficient windows Richland Hills are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our energy-efficient windows are designed to provide superior insulation, helping you save on heating and cooling expenses. We offer a wide range of window insulation solutions Richland Hills to ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. Window frame replacement Richland Hills is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window fitting experts Richland Hills are skilled in replacing old or damaged frames, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. We also provide window seal replacement Richland Hills to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. For those interested in window glass installation Richland Hills, our team offers comprehensive services to address any issues with your window panes. Whether you need double pane windows Richland Hills or single pane installations, we have the expertise to restore your windows to their original condition. Our window maintenance services Richland Hills ensure your windows remain in top shape. Window style consultation Richland Hills is available for homeowners looking to explore various window design options. Our experts can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the perfect style to complement your home's architecture. We also offer window design options Richland Hills to suit any aesthetic preference. Window screen installation Richland Hills is an excellent way to keep insects out while allowing fresh air in. Our window hardware services Richland Hills include the installation of durable and stylish screens that enhance your home's functionality. Additionally, our window weatherproofing Richland Hills services protect your windows from the elements. For those concerned about window replacement cost Richland Hills, we offer competitive pricing and transparent estimates. Our window measurement services Richland Hills ensure accurate sizing for all installations, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. We also provide window warranty services Richland Hills for added peace of mind. Window noise reduction Richland Hills is a priority for many homeowners seeking a quieter living environment. Our window insulation solutions effectively reduce outside noise, creating a more peaceful home. We also offer window safety features Richland Hills to enhance security and protect your family. Window cleaning services Richland Hills are essential for maintaining the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our team provides thorough cleaning to remove dirt and grime, ensuring your windows look their best. We also offer window tinting options Richland Hills to reduce glare and protect your interiors from UV damage. Window renovation projects Richland Hills can transform your home, improving both its appearance and value. Whether you are upgrading to awning windows Richland Hills homeowners trust or exploring other styles, our residential window services Richland Hills cover everything from initial consultation to final installation, ensuring a seamless experience. Trust our window installation experts Richland Hills to deliver exceptional results for your next project.